Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Lift the for-holding latches on the airbox cover. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Remove the cover. Take out the old air filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. Take the new filter. Put the new filter in. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Then lock the forelatches. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.